Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System user tutorial video. This video will guide you through the steps for claiming an account in Mississippi Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Mississippi Express Pass tutorial videos link. Users will be able to claim their existing account in the new Express Pass prior to the launch of the new system. From the Mississippi Express Pass login page, click the Claim Your Account and Set Up Your Logins. Click Here link. This will display the Claim Billing Escrow Account screen. Enter the billing account number and the zip code associated with the billing account. If your company has a US DOT number, that will need to be entered as well. Leave the field blank if there is no US DOT number associated with your company. Please contact MDOT Financial Management Division at 601-359-7400 or email expresspassclaimaccount at mdot.ms.gov if you have any questions concerning your MDOT charge accounts. Click the Validate Numbers button to claim your account. Express Pass will locate your account and display your company information. Click Continue to claim your account. The Create New Company Account company information screen will be displayed. Check the information and enter or correct any missing or wrong information in all required fields. Please note, if claiming an account with the US DOT number, the company name and address fields will be locked. To update the information, it must first be changed with FMCSA. If claiming an account without a US DOT number, only the company name will be locked and cannot be edited. Users must enter a first name, last name, username, and password. Please make note of the password requirements. The password must be at least 12 characters in length and must contain 3 out of the following 4 options. Must have at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, must have at least 1 number, and must have 1 special character. Click the Submit button to finish claiming your company. Click the OK button to log in to your new account. From the login page, enter the username and password established while claiming your account. Check the box for Remember Me on this computer to have the computer remember the login information. Clicking the Submit button will bring you to the company dashboard. Welcome to Mississippi Express Pass. This concludes the Mississippi Express Pass user tutorial video on claiming an account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.